this video, we're going to go over the new surveys feature in ThunderPOS.net, how to create a survey, how to get a link, and just show what it looks like to fill one out. So if we look here, we're logged into our account on ThunderPOS.net. To access the surveys feature, you just go through Customers, and then in the hamburger menu in the top right, you just go to Surveys. So we have a few in here already, but we're just going to go ahead and create a new one for the purpose of this demonstration. We can name it how we would like, but we're just going to name this a tutorial video survey. We'll say that it's open. We'll tell people thank you for your response when they fill it out, but you can set it to whatever you want. If you want to give them an offer code or anything like that, you can certainly do that using the coupons feature. And then we can set a date range where they can respond. So we'll go ahead and create this. And then we just need to add some questions. So to add questions, we just down here are going to hit add question. So the question, we can select what type of question. There's 4 types you can do. You can give a yes or no question. You can give a question where they can rate it from 1 to 5. You can let them select between options that you add, and then you can do a free response question where they can type in whatever answer that you want them to. And we'll just do one of each here. So we're just going to add a yes or no question by hitting create there. You can edit or delete it afterwards. We're not going to do a rating one. We'll just do these options. And then on select between options, we can just add some new options. So we'll say, so we'll add option 1, option 2, and a third option. So once we've got the survey how we kind of like it here, if we go back out to our surveys list, we can go down to that one and we can view our invites here. We'll create an invite for anybody to use, and you can see that we've got this link here, so we can just copy that link, we can email it to them or whatever else we would like. I'm just going to go ahead and fill out this survey here. And so you'll see we've got a tutorial video survey, and it will take them to where they can select, is this our first survey? We'll say no, because we had some other surveys. And then we've got where we can select between the options. We'll say third option. So when we submit the survey, it tells us thank you for your response, which is what we had selected there. And you can send that out to people. They can fill it out as they like. So then if we go back over to the main site here, let me log back in. And we go back to our surveys here. Under view responses, we can see the response that we had sent in. And then you can also, instead of just seeing each individual response, you can kind of see a total here. We only filled out the one survey, so we don't have a percentage breakdown, but you would otherwise have, each option that had been voted for at least once, and then the percentage breakdown between, yes and no, or between your different options. You do have to, for the free response ones, you do have to look at the individual responses to see those, because obviously those will be different for everybody. But yeah, you can also, within Windows with this, you can have it email out with receipts to people. You can also put it on the bottom of your receipt. You can put it in a text message that you send out. Or if you are using any kind of external marketing letter, you can take that link, you can put it in there, send it out to your customers so that they can take the survey, so that you can get whatever feedback that you need from your customers. So this can be really helpful for seeing what might interest them, for just checking in and seeing if they're getting the customer support that they would expect. But hopefully this will be helpful for you. If you have any questions about it, just reach out to support, and we're going to be happy to help out with it.